Now with this dish, what I choose to work with is the Infinity Blue Barramundi coming from Etty Bay. Now the combination of the pristine waters from the rainforest in far north Queensland and the crystal waters from the reef provides the best natural environment to breed this barramundi. Now with this dish, I had a lot of fun. First of all, I want to myth bust the fact that barramundi has to be served only cooked through. The natural fat content of the fish provides of a better fish to be cured. We have covered our barramundi fillet overnight, so around 8 hours, with this beautiful mix of salt, sugar, star anise, lemon zest, orange zest, lime zest. So after we have cleaned our fillet from all the excess curing mix, you have several options. You can use a lightly wet blue chalk to lightly tap into the fillet, or give it a light rinse without over soaking the fish fillet into water too much. When we utilize high quality ingredient like Infinity Blue Barramundi, especially from Etty Bay for this recipe, we want to keep our dishes simple. We want this ingredient to be the main ingredient in our dish and everything else to complement it. We're gonna start slicing our fish. Really thin, our barramundi almost see-through. We're gonna create our cured platter. So very simple, we're gonna stagger our cured barramundi in different areas. So nice brined olives, locally sourced. Now we have some boiled eggs, some raw zucchini, really thinly sliced. A little bit of ox heart tomatoes, thinly sliced as well. All elements that are on season and that complement the taste of our Etty Bay Infinity Blue Barramundi. And we can finish with a little bit of mixed herbs just to give a delicate flavor. Drizzle of olive oil. So here we go. This is our traditionally cured Etty Bay Infinity Blue Barramundi summer plate. This is a dish that is sourced local, supporting Australian products, coming directly from the beautiful and clean waters from far north Queensland, straight to your tables to surprise your customers.